Hi, I'm Oli, and in this AWS tutorial, I will show you how to change an EC2 instance type. So let's get started.
First of all, be sure that you are on EC2 service and on an overview of instances. Choose your instance. If it's running, you need to stop that instance to be able to change that instance type. So I'm stopping this instance. So now it's stopping. Now that instance stopped. So now I'm able to change that instance type. So I'm going to Actions, Instance Settings, and here is Change Instance Type. So I'm click on this. Here you could select the new instance type. So I will put here 2, 3 large, for example. And under this, you could see the instance type comparison. So you could compare your old instance with the new instance, the pricing, CPU, memory, etc. So I will click on apply. And now you could see that instance have a new instance type. So I will start that instance. And now that instance is running with that updated instance type.
If you like this tutorial, make sure to subscribe. Thank you.